So how would it feel to be really truly in alignment on a day-to-day basis? It would feel that your days are by design. It would feel that you're doing the things on a day-to-day basis that you are really happy about. You're really in agreement with it. You are doing it because it's your decision. And so, of course, before we start to end in a discussion, yeah, but I need to survive. So how can it be my decision? I need to do certain things whether I like it or not. Yes, that's true. Absolutely. But you can be in alignment with those decisions, even if the work that needs to be done to do those things is not fun. The decision behind it is still something that allows you to align with it. For example, I don't like doing dishes. Luckily, I have a dishwashing machine, but it can't wash everything. Still gotta wash the pots, still gotta wipe off the kitchen counter. You know what I mean? But if the decision is mine to make, that I am doing the dishes whenever I want to do them on that day, and I'm in alignment with that decision, kitchen is clean. 5-10 minutes max. It's done. You don't think about it. You're not angry about it. You're not working against yourself. You're doing what needs to be done. The work needs to be done. But you feel as if it's by design. You control your day. And so in the philosophy of time management, I show you how your day is actually broken up into different levels of energy. And during those different levels of energy, you might be doing things that are not in alignment with your energy that you have in that moment. So you could have your best energy in the morning. Now, let's say in the morning, you decide to do something that is not fun, like cleaning. Then that would really feel like resistance. But when you learn to go with the flow of your energy, and you understand that my morning times are my most creative times. That's where I have a lot of inspirational thoughts. That's where I burst with energy. That's when I can sit for 1 hour and write in my journal. You're going to notice that when you do that and you make that decision and you give yourself permission to take that first hour in the morning to focus on yourself and write in your journal, that the rest of your day will flow. The other tasks that need to be done will get done, even though they're not fun, because you will not make that distinction anymore. When you give yourself permission to do the things you really want to do, then the other things that need to be done but aren't really fun, you're going to do them as well. Because you are smart enough to know they're also part of your day-to-day. They're part of your survival. But the biggest reason we are in resistance with doing the things that we don't really want to do or we don't really like to do is because we don't give ourselves permission to do the things that we like to do. And if I don't give myself permission to enjoy something that is meant for me to enjoy, but I deny myself, then how will my day be for the rest of the day? How will my energy be for the rest of the day? Not in alignment. So it's about becoming aware how you're not giving yourself permission to do the things that come naturally to you and give you joy, but then forcing yourself to do the things you don't like to do and making yourself do them. And then, of course, a lot of people give you this drastic solution, which is not realistic, to say, okay, then just get rid of everything you don't like to do. Well, life doesn't work like that. You know that. If you're a woman like myself, married, you have children, you work, you're trying to run a business, you have a house to maintain, and maybe some small animals. She sneaked up in here. She just didn't jump on the bed or something. She was there already. Yeah, but I didn't know. Yeah, there are things that need to be done and they're not fun. But the reason we are so in resistance with those things is not because those things need to be done. It's because of the things that we really want to do, we don't give ourselves permission to do it. Instead of getting rid of all the non-fun stuff, do the opposite. Give yourself permission to add the things you like to do as well. And make room for them. Make time for them. Push some other things out of the way. So reschedule them for another day. But make yourself a priority and make the things you really love the most a priority. And then you will see that all the other things that are not really, intuitively a priority to you, but you got to do them, you will do them. Because there's no more negative feeling, no more animosity, no more resistance to that.